All right, number 9, we got 2 parts. It says assume the random variable x is normally distributed with a mean 51 and standard deviation 7. We're going to compute the probability, and we're going to draw the normal curve with the corresponding area and the shaded probability. So this is asking us to find the area less than to the left of 42. So the one that is showing left of 42 is here. The mean is 51, so that's in the middle, and standard deviation is 7. So we're looking at option B. Now we're going to find the area to the left. So here's where that standard normal comes in. So we can get StatCrunch to do it in both, but I want to show you what we've been doing. So we've been doing the standard normal. So standard normal would take the mean in the middle 0. Standard deviation is 1. This is easy to count by ones. Our actual graph is saying the mean is 51 and the standard deviation is 7. When we do that Z formula, what we're doing is we're just basically taking this 51 and shifting it back so that it follows this pattern. So if we want to know less than 42, this is where we start. We start with probability x less than or equal to 42. Then we apply the Z formula. So remember, the Z formula is x minus the mean divided by standard deviation. So if I subtract mean and standard deviation to x, this is what I have. Probability, this is x minus mu over sigma. And then I will apply the actual numbers to this side. So these are the variables. So 42 is representative of your x. Your mean was 51, so we're going to subtract 51. Your standard deviation was 7, so we're going to divide by 7. When I apply this x minus mean over sigma, it converts to a z-score. So now this is probability. This is now turning into a z, and this is going to give me a number. So this is going to give me, when I subtract these, a negative 9 divided by 7. So let's do that. 42 minus 51. And, no, I wrote the wrong thing. 42 minus 51. And then we divide by 7. So the z-score is negative 1.29. We round it, negative 1.29. So negative 1.29. So I'm looking for the area to the left. This would be a negative 1.29. Remember, 42 is on the left side, and this is close to the same picture that we saw. We're looking for the area left of 42. So if I use z, and these will be a little bit different because it's rounded, as you can see. We actually got 1.28. We rounded to 1.29. So if I use StatCrunch, I want to show you the difference. I can put in the exact numbers, which I'm going to do that here. Stat, calculators, normal. I'm going to leave it 0 and 1 right now. I'm looking for the left of negative 1.29. Negative 1.29. If I use that, I get 0.0985. 0.0985. Okay. If I leave it like it original was, 0.0985. Okay. So I'm going to change the mean to 51, standard deviation to 7, and change this to 42. It gives me 0.0993. Okay, the computer is set up to take both these answers. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use the 42 because it's more exact. This is a rounded one, but again, it will take both. So I'm going to say the probability rounded to 4 decimal places is 0.0993. .0993.